Welcome to my video, Medford Homes for Sale for Investors, brought to you by Rogue Valley Best Homes. Hi, I'm Ricky Williams. Let's get right to it. Any real estate you buy can be an investment, but there are currently 183 homes on the market in Medford that meet the investment criteria of property analyst Mashvisor. If you're a real estate investor, you're familiar with different ways to make money from real estate. Here are just a few. Fixing and flipping means buying properties that need work, doing the repairs, and then reselling at a higher price for a profit, just like on HGTV. Wholesaling is buying properties below market value and then reselling them as quickly as possible at or above market value. It helps with the smaller margins to buy with cash, so you don't end up spending your profits on financing costs. Buy and hold is just what it sounds like. You collect regular rental income, get a tax shelter for depreciation expenses, build up equity as you pay off any loans, and get the benefit of any price appreciation. A variation on the fix and flip strategy is to wait at least 2 years to sell after you fix it up. By following IRS rules, you don't have to pay taxes on the profit of your primary dwelling, up to $250,000 for an individual or $500,000 for a couple filing jointly. Over the last few years, the Airbnb model has also become more popular in Medford. Expenses are higher, including utilities that you pay for with this model, but you can collect much higher nightly rental amounts. There were some higher vacancies at the beginning of the coronavirus lockdown, but most of the business has reportedly come back. Normal, non-Airbnb average rents for three-bedroom homes in Medford are $1,430 in West Medford and $1,794 in East Medford and parts of Southwest Medford. The Medford real estate market collapsed from 2008 through 2013, along with most of the country, but has rebounded strongly, seeing 50% appreciation over the last 5 years. Appreciation is expected to continue short-term, with historically low housing inventory and high demand. Mashvisor's data shows quite a bit of higher cash-on-cash returns for properties rented out nightly via the Airbnb model compared to traditional rental returns. But this is based on a 65% occupancy rate, which you cannot control. Here are the latest occupancy rate stats showing high occupancy rates in Southwest Medford and parts of East Medford. These tend to be higher priced homes compared with West Medford and the older parts of East Medford. Here's a home in Southwest Medford, 4-bedroom, 2 baths for $275,000. That shows a nice cash-on-cash return and cap rate for both Airbnb and traditional. The home's been remodeled. It has 2 family rooms, new kitchen cabinets, stainless steel appliances, and granite countertops, new carpet in the bedrooms. Both baths have been upgraded with granite counters and shower inserts, new HVAC, new exterior paint, and new roof. So here's the Mashvisor analysis if you pay cash for the property. If you finance the property with 25% down and a 30-year fixed-rate mortgage at 4.4%, now your traditional rental is in a negative cash flow. If you change the Airbnb occupancy rate from 64% to 56%, you still show healthy margins. And if you assume you can get $1,800 a month rent instead of $1,690 for the traditional rental model, now you're back in positive cash flow and a decent cap rate for the traditional rental model. Do you know if you can get $1,800 a month rent? No, but it's not unreasonable. If you're an investor, you know your predictions are only as good as your assumptions. That's why you don't depend on an analysis tool like Mashvisor. What I like about Mashvisor, however, is that it saves you time. It lets you look at a lot of properties quickly. Then you can take what Mashvisor thinks are the best properties with your criteria, and you can tweak the assumptions, add in depreciation, tax benefits, and spend more time analyzing the most promising properties before you look at them in person. Here's a couple other properties on the market right now in Medford. This is new construction. Just a quick analysis. Cap rate is estimated at 3.7%. Net operating income over $10,000 for the year. And here's a 4-unit rental property with higher gross rents, of course, higher estimated cap rate, and higher operating income, all because you've got 4 units. So are you ready to invest in Medford? Please leave your comments or questions below. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, please subscribe to my channel and click on the notification bell so I can let you know when I upload new videos. I'll see you in Medford, and please check out our other YouTube videos.